In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a folder on Android. Now, from the home screen here, you want to create a folder. The first thing is this: you should have the apps there. Now, I already have two apps already. I want to create a folder, dictionary folder. So I have my Webster dictionary and the normal English dictionary. So what I'll do is I try to merge them together by tapping on this and pulling it. Tap on the dictionary and try to merge them together. Automatically, it creates a folder. Now I can name my folder dictionary, and that's it. Once I'm done, click out, and that's it. I've created a folder. Now let's say I want to add more to my folder. I can edit at the top here by clicking on this pen icon up here. Let's say I want to add more to my folder. I can tap on plus and then go through all my apps and look for the one I want to add to it. Let's say I want to add this one to it, and I tap on done. And now I've added my dictionaries, look at them, the apps into the folder. It's as simple as that.